Hello students, welcome to English session. Look at these images. What do you feel? These are the images of aliens. Do you think aliens look like this? We are not sure about it, but according to our imagination, images are like this. Okay? Now, we are going to start lesson number 5. What's doing in there? In this lesson, a professor is sharing his experience while he met an alien in his house. The professor is a cultural anthropologist. Cultural anthropologist means a person who studies different cultures, beliefs, and practices. One day, a visitor came to his house from Mars. The professor was congratulating Earth's first visitor from another planet. Professor became very happy because before contacting any other scientist, he visited in his house. Martian learned English from radio and TV before landing from his orbit parked rocket. When Martian stood up in his house, he asked, "Excuse me, please, but where is it?" Professor and his wife got confused. What did he mean? Where he wants to go? About what he is asking? Martian smiled, his long mouth curved upward. He repeated the question, "Please, where is it?" Professor's wife was a good hostess. He knows what does he need. She came to rescue her husband. She said, "Top of the stairs, end of the hall, last door." Professor's wife thought Martian is asking about bathroom. Martian became very happy. He said, "Thank you very much." Professor got relief. He finally understood what was going on. He said to Martian, "Here, I will show the way." But Martian was very smart. He said, No, I can find it myself. Thank you." Martian went upstairs. Professor told his wife, "Oh God, the manners of Martian is as strict as our own." Professor's wife became very happy. Professor said the life of Martian is as thrilling as the discovery that butter is burnt hydrogen. While Professor and his wife were talking about Martian, his little son came and said, "Papa, Martian has gone to the bathroom." Professor appreciated the manners of Martian. His son told him, "Well, anyway, Pop, he's in the bathroom." I followed him when he squiggled upstairs. Here, the word squiggled given because the Martian is not walking like human being. Professor advised his son, "Martian is our guest. Following him and doing spy work, it is not good. He has come from another planet and it might make him nervous if he thought he was being spied on. We must show our every courtesy." While he was explaining about good manners, his daughter entered the room with high speed. She was a talkative fellow. She started in an exaggerated way, "Mom, Pop, the Martian." But Professor didn't allow her to continue. He told his daughter, "Ha dear, we know." She came back to her confident and calm self. Then she said, "Well, he is still in there. I thought he had come downstairs long ago. He has been there an awfully long time. It must have been a half hour ago that I saw him gear upstairs with Nosy here following him." Means she said that she had seen him before half an hour. He is still in there. Here two new words are there, "gear" and "nosy." Gear means to move in circle. It is used to describe the alien's movements. The girl uses nosy to refer to her brother who is curious about the Martian. Professor checked his watch. He became in trouble. He thought, how much time he is taking. I wonder about it. When his son saw his troubled face, he said, Papa, I listened for a while. He was running water a lot. Professor replied, running the water? Ha, we know Mars is a water-starved planet. I suppose to think the presence of unlimited water, he might be seized by a kind of madness. Means he might be become mad when he saw unlimited water. Professor's wife interfered the talk and she asked, what's he doing in there? Okay, we have completed first section. We will continue the lesson in next video. Okay, thank you.